Now, now they're starting to get cranky because they're tired. Gosh, they love that ball. I don't know how he found it, really. Because it was buried under 3 feet of snow in the backyard. Want me to throw it, Winston? I will throw it. Bring it here. Yeah, he would rather fight with his brother over it. Gonzo's tired of tired of fighting over it, so he thinks if he just gripes at Winston enough, Winston will just let him have it. Winston says, "Shut up! Shut up!" Here, let me kick it. Let me kick it. Move. Ah, Gonzo, no! Oh, shit. I'm sorry, Winston. Winston let me put it down so I could kick it, and Gonzo stole it.